Jaja. Porque yo no creo que tampoco lo di update de verdad. Vamos a ver. Too easy. I'm just too good at this game, man. This game was made for babies. And I'm an epic big boy. Where the hell did you come from, my guy? One more hit, come on. Okay. I thank God the goddamn Siphon doesn't spawn back, but at the same time I'm sad because I can't get his weapons. Come here, I'm gonna kill you now. Oh my god! Got him. Dead. Take this critical blow, and you weren't even behind. You're dead. Oops. Yeah, I just took two at the same... Oh, fuck. Oh, he did not... Why did that didn't break his guard? Why? What? Why? What's happening? What's happening? Wow. Wow. And this guy's over here. God damn it, of course his attack hit me first. Cunt. That's a big halberd. I think I already got it though. Wow, I lost 800 cash. God damn it. I don't know what to do. Alright, I'll just wait here until they turn around. Yeah. Whoa, what? Why? But it's fine, because then I can just get rid of the tough guy. Bonk! And then just run away. Yeah, just run away. Zigzag. Whoa! He hurt me! This man came speed running to kill me. God damn it! Fuck! I had him in a back blow. No! What the fuck? I'm sad. Bonk! Oh no! No! I need to get the back blow. Back blow. God damn it! If I don't get it, I can't fucking kill the guy. But then he has the other guy right behind his ass. Fuck! What? Oh my god, they always survive with like a tinsy little fucking micro dick piece of shit health. No! What the fuck? Oh! God damn it, this piece of shit. What? How did that not? Finally. Got him. Alright, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. No! What the fuck, you cunt! Holy shit, the fucking fire guy. Ah! No! goddamn imbeciles are so hard to kill. What to do? Of course, he still hit me. Yes! I did it! Fuck! That took so long. Shit. What? Jeez, the fucking dogs, of course. The dogs are the only thing that didn't die from the... Oh my god. So utterly just destruction. I hate the dogs. If I could literally euthanize every single dog in this game, I would. Even the completely normal dogs that don't do anything. I would still kill them. Because you don't know, they might get infected or something by like some fucking killing virus. Come here. Wow. Nope. You annoying fuck. Why am I dying to birds? Oh my god. God damn it. Shit. Wow. I kind of want to hit him with a great sword. Give me a second. I just have to time it. I didn't hit him with the giant ass magical blade. Fuck. Nope. Okay, I'm starting to remember what was in here. No! What the fuck? Dozing cross-legged. Oh! What the fuck? Where do you come from, cockatoo? Oh, where do you come from? Ah, the fucking cockatoo! Just one more hit! What the fuck? He came out of nowhere. What the? Got him! Pendejo por pendejo. Lo maté. I fucking killed it. Oh, this looks like a boss. It's not a boss. Goodbye. The summoning pool. Wait! No! No! There's a lost grace right there. Ah! Fuck you. He killed the dog! I'm gonna have to fight him, aren't I? Yes, but it does nothing. And then the dog. Oh my god, I got killed in 2 hits. Oh my god, el águila es tan fucking annoying. Me mató. What the fuck was that? Why? 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 Why even? Hold. Of course. Yeah. No, yeah. Have fire. And have super agile attacks that I can't counteract. Fighting set monster. I am going to insanely just start running behind them because I am not going to fight them. Oh, no. Okay, I'm not really that confident, but I think I can do it. Oh, story cutscene? Let's go. That is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. I really wanted to dodge that. I guess I couldn't. Whoa, what the fuck is that wind bending? I keep saying wind bending. This is gonna take so long. I don't even know what grafting means, man. Go, fight him. What? Why are you standing there? I said fight him. I said fight him! Why are you standing there? Oh, she's blocking my path. Do you not have healing? Fuck. Attack him. Stagger him. Keep hitting him. Oh shit. Fuck. Okay, stop screaming, please. God, you sound like a tiny ass baby. Whoa. Wait, he's deflecting the whoa. The fire went through the dragon. Alright, I need enough space to be able to summon something. If I am able to summon literally anything right now, it will be super useful. Fuck! This man shot a blast of wind directly to my ass. I'm done. Oh. Why? Why do you do this to me? You see the enemy right there. You see the big guy that's gonna hit me with his axe. Why are you not fucking hitting him? Oh my god. Man, we're getting our ass kicked by this one fucking dude. Damn, this armor's so good. Alright, alright. Go fight him. Fight him, please. Please. Nephilim, please start attacking him, please. I don't know why you have to get hit first before you start attacking him. Oh my god. I'm about to die. What is this RNG, man? Wow, what the fuck? Wow, we haven't even done anything to him. Man, this man's RNG is whack. There we go, there we go. Fuck. Should have dodged. Dodge. Fuck, he delayed it. Oh. Yes! Hell yeah, baby! You're dead. You're the lord of all that is dead. Fuck you. And Nephilim didn't die. Good job. Lost grace discovered. Oh man, that was so disgusting. That was so disgusting.